Back with another quick tutorial. We're going to remove those flyaway hairs. Start by making a copy of the layer. Next, we're going to zoom in to see what we're working with and grab our pen tool. We're going to outline the edge of the hair using the pen tool. This selects the area that we want to remove. All right, we're going to circle around and back to our starting point and create a selection right there. Up to the top, hit selection. Leave all the parameters the same right here. Hit OK. There's our selection. Now we're going to go over here and grab the clone stamp tool, and we're going to select the source point to delete those extra hairs around the edges. Let's go through all the way around, delete those. You're done. Deselect. Let's zoom in, take a look. There is the after. There's the before. Follow me for more tips and tricks. Bye.